Hi, I'm Dean Parker and I'm the Managing Director of Your Style Homes. We're going to be doing a number of video blogs for the PropertyInvesting.com community. What we're going to do, we're going to talk to you guys about the day-to-day challenges that we have in our development business and how we overcome them. So I think the great thing about this is that you should be able to pick up some really good tips and tricks along the way. And really these are just everyday issues that we come up against that we need to think on our feet and find a solution to. I guess to start with, we'll give you a little bit of an introduction of what we do and what we're about. We're a development company up in Brisbane. We were operating out of Melbourne. We've been up here since 2011. We're doing townhouse and apartment projects up here in Brisbane. So I'm standing at the front of a townhouse project we're just completing in Coorparoo in Brisbane. There's 8 townhouses here. They're luxury townhouses. We've got city views. It's a beautiful project. As part of this project, we've been able to retain an existing Queenslander that sat right at the back of the block there. We've moved it all the way forward to the front. We've refurbished it, split that also in half and turned that into 2 townhouses. We've also built 6 brand new townhouses in and around that original Queenslander. So at this point of the project, we're really, from our point of view, we're aiming to deliver a really high quality product to our purchasers that have brought here. We've actually sold 7 of the 8 of these townhouses off the plan. So we really want to make sure that when we hand these properties over, that they're of high quality and that our owners are extremely happy. We could go off and actually do our own defect checking and then give that to the builder, and we do that at a high level just to make sure all the colours are right and the tiles are right and the fixtures and fittings are okay. But now what we're doing, because we're dealing with bigger projects, and really you could do this on any size project at all, we're employing a third company separate to us and separate to the builder to do a quality assurance check. So in this case we're using handovers.com, but there's plenty of other companies you can use out there that do a similar thing. So essentially the process from here is the builder issues their practical completion to say that they've finished works, and then we get our independent company in to do a full inspection. So they've been in for their first inspection. That was 2 weeks ago. They've actually found 800 defects on here. That's how thorough they are. They know the building code. They know what's a defect and what isn't a defect. Any tiny little thing they find, they list it, and they basically get all this information to us on one really great spreadsheet. So we get the room that it is, the defect issue, and then the trade that they think would be responsible for fixing it. So we get that full list, then we give that to our builder, and it's a really easy process then for the builder to fix it. They print it off, they give it to their site supervisor, he goes through, issues it all to the trades, and they're just marking these things off. So today we've got our independent company, they're back here again now doing the second inspection. So hopefully they're in there behind me ticking all these items off, and we can then finally give the builder our final handover certificate to say that we're happy with the product that they've delivered. So our challenge on this site really was to deliver a high quality product. Now we're not builders, we're a development company, so I don't really know the ins and outs of every little building code that's out there. So that's why we've got this third party company to come in. They know what the rules are. And the other great thing about this is it's sort of, they're the meat in the middle of the sandwich. It's not us being particularly difficult with the builder, it's an independent company, and really we're just the conduit between the two. So the way that we've solved our problem here is to get this independent company in. They take away a lot of the headaches, and it means that instead of us rushing around trying to do this defect process ourselves, we can now deliver a really high quality project knowing that an independent company has done a full inspection and that we'll get the project delivered on time and with a great finish. So I hope you got some value out of our first little update. We're looking forward to working with the PropertyInvesting.com community and delivering a lot more tips and tricks over the next few months as we progress through the projects that we're developing up here. We'll see you soon.